and welcome back to my channel. We're at Butlins in Bognor Regis and we're staying in a silver room, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of our room showing you some of its main features. The silver rooms are situated in Oyster Bay. Oyster Bay has a range of rooms and apartments in long blocks with sea-themed names like Angelfish Park and Barracuda Place. The silver rooms are on 2 floors and you can pay extra to guarantee a ground floor room. All the rooms currently have a seal that shows the room has been cleaned and is ready for use. This is a double room. In here you have a TV, heater, 2 bedside cabinets and a good sized double bed. And from this side you can see the wardrobe, a desk and chair, and they also provide you with a kettle. In the desk you have 4 mugs, wine glasses and tumblers, and there's plenty of room underneath for you to put your tea, coffee and snacks. In the wardrobe there's an iron and a couple of hangers, and there's plenty of room for you to store your clothes and suitcases. This is a twin room. We have 2 fair-sized single beds, bedside table, but the one thing that we don't particularly like is the only socket in this room is about 6 feet up. Luckily, we bought an extension lead. And on this side, there's an iron and ironing board, hangers, and there's a couple of shelves to the right, and a rubbish bin. This is the bathroom. It's got a good sized mirror, a shelf for all your toiletries, a rubbish bin and a step stool for little ones. There's a heated towel rail behind the door, but we didn't find ours got particularly hot. The shower is quite compact and the water pressure is okay. If you're staying in a silver room and you've bought the meal package, you'll probably be eating in the Coral Beach restaurant. This is part of the restaurant. They've got drinks machines serving a range of hot and cold drinks. This is the layout for breakfast. Breakfast tends to be the same, but the evening meals have been different each night. We found the food to be really nice and we've had plenty to eat. Oyster Bay is well lit at night. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a like. If you'd like to see more from me in the future, then don't forget to subscribe using this button. And if you'd like to see more from me right now, then click on one of these videos. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.